We are Auakan, a company in charge of the total or complementary purification of wastewater through artificial wetland systems of macrophyte plants that allow textile companies to remedy part of their water pollution. The three of us have known through missions, camps, and personal trips the harsh and difficult reality that many people live due to the lack of water supply. That is why, when entering this project, our attention went directly to how the textile industry pollutes water and what we can do about it.
The problem is that only 1% of the wastewater of the textile industry are treated. This is because several companies have a conventional water treated plant that is currently not enough, or in other cases, they don't have any system for the water treating. Our proposal is to create an artificial wetland system that through macrophyte plants achieve a purification of polluting elements. There is a scientific support based on various research and evidence that have shown that macrophytes are effective in polluting load removal. The whole process begins with the connection of the water to be treated made its deposit that will be to our first container. This pretreatment will consist of a hydraulic digester, whose main function will be the retention of suspended solid. The main physical processes that take place are sedimentation, are filtration and absorption. Once this process is completed, will be followed by the wetland connection. Will first pass through a vertical wetland, whose natural characteristics make it more efficient to assume higher pollutants. Then it will go to a wetland system of wetland horizon flow, with aerobic and anaerobic areas so that by combining both environments, a greater number of pollutants are degraded. Finally, after the entire process, the treated water will be stored in a last container where the latest technology will be used to monitor the state of purification of water in the real time for its prompt reuse in the cycle. We studied the main pollutants emitted by the company that we are giving this service, and we developed a customized wetland system for a correct purification of the water. Then we implemented wetlands with a water quality control software that provides the company a real-time water quality status and the parameter of it. Finally, the treated water will be reused by the company.
The costs and benefits will depend greatly on the type of pollutants and the area in which the installation is to be carried out. Revenue will be earned by paying for the implementation of the artificial wetland and its maintenance and control software. The gross margin of the implementation will be around 35%, and the gross margin of the maintenance will be around 30%. So why Auakan? Well, the investor will contribute to the protection and conservation of the environment, which in turn could enhance the reputation and brand value of his company. In addition, wetland restoration and conservation can improve water quality and reduce waste management costs, which in turn can result in increased revenues and can help companies comply with environmental regulations and avoid potential fines and penalties. Finally, the possibility of contributing to job creation and improving the quality of life of local communities through sustainable activities and responsible tourism. This is a project with a potential solution for a very real problem in one of the largest industries in the planet, a solution with the potential of having a huge positive environmental impact if implemented properly. This is why we believe in our project. This is why we believe in Auakan. Thank you for your time.